This video is entitled Standard Takeoff Toolbar Assembly Lookup. The first button on the Standard Takeoff Toolbar is the Assembly Lookup button, which is used to search the main assembly data file for an item that cannot be found using the menus. You can begin this process either by typing an A into the command field or clicking the button with a capital A on the toolbar. This will display the Part Assembly Special Lookup form. The form will show a lookup bar that has already been activated in an index name mode. If you would prefer to look up items using assembly numbers, click the Assembly Number menu option to change the state. To find an item using the index name mode, simply start entering a description in the field. The utility uses an incremental search procedure that will start from the first character typed. For example, if you are trying to find flex assemblies and type the letter F, the program would take you to the first F it found, and then following that up with an L would take you to probably flex assemblies, and it did. Once you have located the component you were looking for, select it in the drop-down list and it will populate the list and close the drop-down. Locate the item that you wish to add to the estimate, and using the left mouse button, click and hold the button down and drag it to the entry command field and release the button. When you release the button, you will be prompted for a quantity. The utility will continue to be displayed for any other entries that you may be looking for, or you can click Exit to close the utility and return to the estimating system. This completes the Standard Takeoff Toolbar Assembly Lookup video.